Good morning, children. And in this video, we will study more about bases. Let's think baking soda tastes sour. Does it really taste sour? Or, in other words, we may say, what is its taste? So, dear children, since baking soda does not taste sour, it means that it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching. So these are called as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Name of the bases and the places or the locations where they are used. Sodium hydroxide, it is used in soaps, drain cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide, antacids. Aluminium hydroxide, antacids, deodorants. Calcium hydroxide, lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, window cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. Ammonium hydroxide, ammonia, common bases. Weak versus strong bases. Now let's study about weak bases and strong bases. Potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, ammonium carbonate. These are all weak bases. Strong bases: sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are all strong bases. Now, dear children, let's know about indicators. First, natural indicators. As you can see in this figure, there are two strips present at the top and two solutions at the bottom. So, these strips are of litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator. The most commonly used indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve or purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It will be in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. So, in the form of strips, you can see at the top, and in the form of solution, you can see at the bottom. Dear children, I told you regarding pH scale. Now, this is pH scale which you can see on this slide. Now, pH scale, as I told you, is a measuring device which helps us to measure or which helps us to know how an acidic or a basic solution is. It ranges from 0 to 14, as you can see. Acidic solution have pH below 7. See, children, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It indicates red color. That means the substances which fall under these categories are highly acidic. So if it falls under 0, that means it is highly acidic. And if solution falls under the category of 7, that means it is a neutral solution. Like pure water has pH value 7, and the solutions which fall under the category of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, these solutions are said to be basic. And the solution which has pH 14, that is highly basic in nature. Now, I hope you might be clear about pH value. Now, examples of indicators: litmus paper, it is in the form of strips or solution. Turmeric, China rose, phenolphthalein. Neutralization. This is one of the important processes in acids, bases, and salts. So, when an acid reacts with a base, the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with evolution of heat. Acid plus base gives salt plus water, and in this process heat is also evolved. Hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, plus sodium hydroxide NaOH gives sodium chloride NaCl plus water, and the formula is H2O. Thank you, children. I hope you might have understood. If there is any query, you can call me on my number. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay in, stay safe. Thank you.